Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change a country or region to UK, United Kingdom on iPhone, iOS 18 on App Store. So if you want to change your country or region to any country, or if you want to change into specifically United Kingdom, so how you can change your country or region to United Kingdom. So what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, you have to simply go to general. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network setting, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and after that you have to simply click on name or Apple ID here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply look for media and purchases. So you have to simply click on that. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on view account. And after that, you have to wait for some seconds so that a new kind of interface will be available. Where you will find this kind of interface. Here you will find the change of country or region option. So here what you have to do, you have to wait again for some seconds so that loading can be done. So here you will find the option of change country or region. So you have to scroll it down, and after that you will find the option of all the countries. So if you want to change to UK, United Kingdom, so you have to simply select that. And after that, you have to simply wait for some second, and you have to agree the terms and conditions. And after that, what you have to do, you have to provide a payment method, which may be a credit card, PayPal, or mobile phone, or you can, if anything shows none, so you can also select that. So here you can simply provide your mobile number, credit card number, and all the details here. And here you have to provide your billing name, street, postcode, town, country, and your number. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on next. And after that, you have to done some verification. After that, your country or region will be changed to United Kingdom. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.